Let's make a homemade Mickey ice cream sundae. We're going to be using our ice cream maker from Select Brands. We're going to start with 2.5 cups of heavy cream and then add 2 cups of milk. I'm then going to add 2 tablespoons of vanilla. We're using this homemade vanilla. It's so good. And then we're going to add 1 1/4 cups of sugar. We are going to mix together all the ingredients until the sugar is dissolved. And then we're going to pull the freezer bowl out of the freezer and start putting together all of the pieces of our Select Brands Mickey ice cream maker. Once you have the lid on, you can go ahead and turn it on. And once it's on, pour in your ice cream mixture. Seal it up and let it mix for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you're gonna have a delicious, nice, soft serve texture ice cream. For this recipe, I wanted it to be a little bit harder consistency, so I went ahead and dished it into a Tupperware and froze it for a little bit longer, and it was nice and ready to scoop. After scooping your ice cream, you can add some hot fudge, whipped cream, sprinkles, and of course, some chocolate chip cookies for the ears. We used homemade to make it extra delicious. It turned out so good. So if you're missing Disneyland, I highly recommend making a Mickey sundae at home.